She's coming out now. She said she'll speak with you. What did you experience here tonight?
So I had a tree fall on my house. I was in my living room and I heard a crash. I thought it was an earthquake. I came outside and I realized that a giant tree fell on top of my roof, and I found a whole bunch of water coming in through my front door, pouring into my house, and I realized it was a tree that cracked in half because of the lightning and fell on my house. It was insane. There was so much chaos going on because there were sirens everywhere. This whole neighborhood has been up in arms all night with everything with the storm.
Right.
So.
And who was in the house with you?
My baby. I had a 2-year-old sleeping upstairs. I have my dogs downstairs, a puppy downstairs. So it was a lot of commotion going on.
So take me through one more time. Your
Yeah.
baby, your dogs, right?
Yeah.
What were you doing? And
So I was home, I was in the living room watching TV, and then all of a sudden I heard a big boom, and my baby woke up, and my dog, I have a puppy, my dogs were going crazy downstairs. I looked outside, and I realized a giant tree crashed down on my house. It was resting on my roof, and water started pouring through my door, and everything was just very chaotic.
so what went through your mind initially?
I was terrified. I called 911 and they came out within 5 minutes, which was great. And they assessed everything and they told me that they probably couldn't come out till tomorrow because they had about 10 other calls in the neighborhood of other trees falling down on power lines and possible fires that are going to start. So it seemed like there was a lot of commotion in the entire neighborhood. Power outages everywhere as well.
Is the baby okay?
Baby's fine, thank God. Everybody's fine in the
Boy or
house. Girl,
And
2-year-old.
Was she shocked that she?
She seemed like startled, but she went back to bed afterwards, so that's what counted.
Okay. So you can stay in the house. You didn't lose power.
No, I didn't lose power. Damages were minimal as of right now. Hopefully it doesn't continue to fall, so I'm safe still in the house and not displaced, so that's good.
How long have you lived here?
5 years now. Just
5 years.
moved up here from Staten Island about 5 years ago.
Anything else you want to say I didn't ask?
No, stay safe out there.
Okay, what's your name?
Ariel.
Spell that.
Ariel.
And what's your last name?
Santoro. Santoro.
Okay. Thanks, Ariel.
Thank you.